some email. Looks like I got a message from Jen. What did she say? The glasses. All right, let's see here. Okay. Just. What? I'm gonna leave those there. Let's see what Jen sent. Hey, Jen here. Wanted to pass along a few ideas I thought you'd like for your upcoming Walt Disney World summer vacation. P.S. You should put the glasses on so that you can see better. Okay, first things first. I think you'd love staying at the new Island Tower at the Polynesian Village Resort. Definitely yes. Okay, let's see what's next. Think you should check out H2O Glow Night at Typhoon Lagoon. Let's see what that is. Well, all right then. Thought you'd enjoy these special memories that I found from your last trip. All right, let's see what she did here. Glasses.